Talk Trolling? This is Badong, and this is another episode of my show. We call it Badong the Vape Floor. I'm here in Manila. Actually, I'm here in South Las Piñas. I'm gonna show you once again one of the vape shop here in Las Piñas, the Vape Age. So obviously they didn't sell to minors because that's why we are vaping, because we need to stop smoking to be healthier and become a clean living, you know. So come on, we're gonna show you what they have, newest, latest juices, merchandise, something like that. So come on. So welcome to Vape Age. Diba, naramdaman nyo talaga na talagang mainit yung pagtanggap dito kahit na malamig ang aircon, mararamdaman mo yung init. Kasi kahit, damn, kung malalaman nyo, nasa likod lang to ng SM South Mall. So parang tagus lang talaga to na parang, SM pa rin ba to? Kasi ang dami pa rin talaga rito to. Hindi ka talaga mainitan, pagpapawisan, kahit na El Nino, something like that. Damn, ang lamig talaga rito. So, pakikita nyo yung mga tambay rito. Damn. So, actually, we're very honored kasi yung isa sa mga tambay rito is si Sir June Bautista. One of the pioneer here in South. So, yan yung mga old school na pagdating sa vaping. Old school baby for real. So, mararamdaman nyo talaga rito na mga taga South is iisa lang mga tambay rito, nagbubuklod-buklod pagdating sa vaping. So, I'm here I'm gonna talk to the one of the owner, actually the owner of the Vape Age, Mr. Don. Don?
Hi, good evening, Don.
So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag tumambay kayo rito, hindi kayo mabobore kasi they have their own TV, air conditioning.
We have Wi-Fi also.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, for real!
For real, some birds! Manood kayo ng Mount Canor, kay Paul Bidjones. Sikat ngayon si Paul Bidjones, so,
Yun.
damn, ang sarap talaga magtambay dito, no?
Sarap,
So, Sir Don, ano yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon about dito sa shop nyo?
Right now, still, no, we're teaching everyone how to quit smoking. And we're focusing on a new product right now, yung Roost Guard. No?
Matunog yan.
Yeah.
Actually, pag pumunta kayo sa mga group, one of the talagang pinag-uusapan is that Roost Guard.
Kasi si Roost Guard, he delivers the best flavor, no, when it comes to vapor. Na-try ko na yung iba, pero this will definitely help other people to quit smoking. No? The flavor delivery, hindi siya masyadong bastos pag umusok.
Awesome.
So, yes.
Awesome. For real?
Yeah. Tapos,
Damn.
I heard the good news a few days ago, no, that they're going to release a new product. It's their drip type atomizer naman.
So,
Yeah.
may abangan naman kayong talagang bago sa Roost Guard. So,
Yeah. Anyway, it's from Highwind Innovative Designs nga pala.
So, pagkakaalam ko, it's Pinoy made.
Yes, Pinoy made proudly from the South in
Damn.
Las Piñas.
Pilipinas. Parang
Hardcore,
talagang.
hardcore.
So, juices, ano yung mga yung kinakiyaran yung juices right now?
Okay, sa ngayon, ang kinakarry natin, we have 6 brands of juices, no? First is yung Eve, and then Big O. This one is exclusive for Vape Age lang talaga, no? Vapor Bliss, so okay din siya. And then, one of our best seller is Overdose, no? Overdose.
That is my
Industries.
major
Yes.
sponsor, baby! Major sponsor! For real!
Anyway, si Overdose talaga, hindi... Ito yung juice na once na pinatikim mo sa tao, talagang bibili na, no? Hindi naman ako bias, pero talaga masarap siya. Me, myself, is Overdose user.
Trivia! Ang gumawa talaga ng juice na Overdose is from South. So,
Yes,
we're
also from
very proud about that. So, Southside, baby!
Ito naman ang newcomer na e-juices ng Vape Age, no? Si Mayora, from the north naman to. So, masarap din siya, Mayora e-liquids, and then Queen's Lab. So, okay din siya.
So, how about the merchandise? Drip Tip, ano po yung mga meron kayo ngayon na talagang mabenta at saka yung
Sa Drip Tips, ang pinaka mabenta sa amin right now is yung Atmos. And then we also carry Cyclone by Vicious Ant, and then the Rusgar, and then other mods. Ayan.
So, so narinig nyo, di ba? If you want na mag-visit here sa Vape Age, yan yung mga available nilang juices. Lahat ng mga merchandise, drip chip. So, pag tumambay pa kayo rito, hindi kayo basta bibili lang. Kasi mararamdaman nyo yung warm welcome na ba sa, hindi lang sa pagtambay rito, mararamdaman nyo yung warm na talaga tuturuan kayo ng mga tao rito.
Yes.
Anything you want na gusto nyo malaman about vaping, nandito sila to help. So, talagang mapapatambay kayo kahit na gusto nyo lang bumili. So, about the, yung mga parokyano natin, sir, ano yung mga madalas na bumibili rito? May mga foreigner ba, something, mga office boy, office girl?
Yes, usually different kinds of people, ano. We also have customers like na nag-iossi pa rin. But Vape Age is trying, we keep on trying our best to help them quit smoking, no. That's our main goal, eh. Diba? That's why we put up a shop kasi based on my personal experience, tinulungan talaga ako ng e-cigarette, mag-quit ng smoking. And then in a year, nag-clear yung lungs ko. So that's why I put
So how many years kayo nag-smoke bago kayo nag-vape?
I've been smoking for, I think, 17 years. I started as 1 pack per day and then nag-increase siya ng 2 packs per day.
For real?
Yes, man.
Damn!
And then someone introduced me to vaping and then it helps me a lot talaga.
So makita nyo talaga na maganda yung naidudulot ng vaping. But ang vaping is hindi lang basta nag-vape ka and then mag-stop ka ng smoke. Nasa sa'yo pa rin kung mag-stop ka talaga or ano, kasi may mga tao talaga na masyado nilang inaanong vape na hindi makatotohanan na parang, di ba? Nasa sa'yo pa rin kung mag-stop ka talaga ng smoking. But ang vaping is para makatulong kang tumigil sa bisyo ng paninigarilyo.
Yeah.
So, if I'm not from South, gusto ko pumunta rito.
Okay.
Paano ako makakapunta rito ng here in Las Piñas sa Vape Age?
Very easy. If you will came from Alabang, no, just go to SM South Mall. Always go to SM South Mall. And then, park ka lang sa likod na sa pinakalikod ng parking ng SM South Mall. You will see a gate. That's the only gate sa likod. And then, paglabas mo ng gate, makikita mo na yung Vape Age sa left side.
Here at SM,
Yes.
you got it all for
Always,
you.
aim for, SM South Mall.
So, what is your exact address?
Our exact address is 36C Violet Road, Pilar Village, Las Piñas.
Yan yung may mga GPS, no?
Yeah.
Ayan, mga yaman ng mga vapors natin. So, actually, ang daming nakapark talaga rito mga sasakyan eh. Mga tambay lang dito yan. Galing bahay nila. Magkagising, mag-vape dito, magtambay lang. Yan talaga rito. South, baby! So, ito kami sa South. So, kung ako, tinatamad naman ako magtanong, hindi ako makapunta rito, gusto kong, ano yung email ad nyo? Exact email ad?
You can go to www.vapeage.com. That's it. So you can search naman sa Facebook ng Vape Age. Lalabas na kaagad yun. And then, we also do shipping pare. Nationwide, international, we can do that. And you can pay any terms you want.
Damn!
We accept all major credit cards, even your ATM.
For real?
Yes, for real.
so, ano bang hanapin nyo rito kahit wala kayong dalang pera dito na cash? Hindi kayo mananakawan kasi meron kayong card, di ba? Pag may card kayo, mag-swipe lang kayo, huwag kayong magdala ng cash para hindi kayo ma-hold up. So, ingatan nyo lang yung binilihin nyo kasi baka manakaw naman yun. So, any last word, sir?
Well, the reason why we put the name Vape Age because now is the time to vape, no? Stop smoking, start vaping.
So, narinig nyo yan sa mga pioneer ng vaping, Sir Don. So, ewan ko, parang gusto ka na matulog dito kasi they have their nice couch, malambot talaga, di ba? So, pagkita nyo talaga na warm welcome talaga rito. Pag pumunta ka, sila ang mag-approach sa'yo kung ano yung mga kailangan mo, kung ano yung swak sa budget mo, something like that. So, I'm gonna thank my major sponsor, Overdose. Damn.
Overdose.
Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my God, Stacy, baby. Love Stacy. Yum yum, baby. So, last word for me is start vaping and stop smoking. Okay. So this is Badong. This is Vape Age. Come on, baby.